Hi, my fellow investors. This is Andres, and welcome to my M1 finance portfolio called the Moneymaker. So, guys, I just completed my ninth month of investing on my M1 finance. So, 9 months later, here we are. I'm at $10,982.44. So, I've come a long way this past 9 months. My original goal for this 2020 was to reach 10K, but obviously I've already surpassed it. So yeah, I'm really happy about this. Hopefully I can maybe reach 12K by the time the year ends. But for you guys who are new to my channel, my moneymaker started as a dividend investing portfolio. I used to have 90% stocks, 5% bonds, and 5% real estate. But I wanted to be more aggressive, so I changed that to 100% stocks. So let's dive into my stocks and let's see how I did this month. So let's change this to month. And so as usual, we're gonna start with our technology. We're gonna save the no dividends for last. So my technology, it consists 35% of my pie. So my technology for this month, it looks like I lost. Nvidia, I only gained $7.66, which is up 0.62%. Microsoft, I lost $99, which is down 8.72%. Apple, which is my new addition to my technology stock, I gained $4.37, which is up 0.62%. Skyworks, I gained $2.18, which is up 0.29%. So for this month, my technology, I lost $84.79, which is down 2.32%. My earned dividends is 37 cents. It's down because September had a lot of red days and technology got hit pretty bad. But I'm still lucky that I have green on everything, of course, except Microsoft, which is down $99. It says $84. I'm not sure why. It's maybe because of the changes that I made this past few weeks. All right, let's go to my consumer, which is 12% of my pie. Last month, I had Pepsi, but I decided to remove Pepsi from my portfolio. So McDonald's, I gained $13.30, which is up 2.57%. Procter and Gamble, I lost $3.41, which is down 0.67%. So for my consumer this week, I gained $2.10, which is 0.19% return. My earned dividends is $5.66. That's a pretty good dividend for this month. Now let's go to my industrial, which is 8% of my pie. So for my industrial, I removed 3M and waste management since last month. Now I only have a Honeywell for this month. Honeywell lost $12.43, which is down 1.81%. So my industrial for this month, it says I lost $23.40, which is 2.95% return. It's because I lost some money from waste management and 3M stocks before I sold them. My earned dividends from my industrial is $2.07. Let's go to my finance, which is another red. This is 8% of my pie. Visa, I lost $65.09, which is down 7.59%. I did not earn any dividends. This is a lot of red for this month. Yeah, September was just a volatile month and there was a lot of down, especially with the NASDAQ, these technologies. All right, now let's go to my biggest portion of my pie, which is the no dividend. It consists 37% of my pie. So my favorite stocks, Tesla, I lost $88.51, which is now 3.71%. Battery Day was pretty disappointing. It did not go up as I thought it was going to be. It actually crashed after the Battery Day, but Elon said a lot of great things about the Battery Day, so I can say that Tesla will go up. Maybe not now or in a few weeks, but it'll definitely go up in the future. Square, again, $66.64, which is up 7.26%. Roku, I gained $65.83, which is up 8.79%. So my no dividend for this month, I won. I gained $43.96, which is 1.09% return. So as you guys can see for this month, I lost a lot from my technology, my industrial, and finance. I only gained money from my no dividend and consumer slices. So for this month, my moneymaker, I lost $123.99, which is down 1.14%. I gained $8.10 for dividends. This month is not as good as my previous month, but still I'm proud that I'm at $10,982.44. This is $900 more than my original goal was, so I'm really proud of myself, and I can see this growing. It's not gonna go down. So I'm just gonna keep my head high. I'm just gonna keep investing, and I'll just gonna keep growing my wealth, as you should guys also do. So if you guys have money, even if it's not much, keep investing and keep growing your wealth. I'll see you guys again. My wealthy people, thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, leave some comments to show some love. Again, this is Andres telling you to stay true to your path to wealth. Until next time, see you.